If you're looking for a table and you're looking to count cards, remember the criteria we said for a non-card counter. That also applies. Rules are a really big deal. There's a couple things you want to add though. So the first thing you want to think about is deck penetration. Now deck penetration is really important because the more of the deck you see, the more accurately you can predict what's left. And then your count becomes really, really useful. So the first thing you want to do is shop for a dealer. In some situations, a dealer will actually pick where the cut card goes. Some will put it really far into the deck. Others will put it somewhere in the middle. And this makes a big difference because you want to see as many cards as possible when you're counting cards. Other places where you're not shopping for a dealer, you're actually just shopping for a casino, will put the cards in the discard and they'll have a notch. Here we don't have a notch, but just for illustrative purposes, if there was, it'd be the same every time. So you want to find a casino that has that notch as low as possible so you can see as many cards as you can. The other thing you want to think about, depending on your skill level when you're a counter, is if you want to play at a crowded table or if you want to play alone. If you're playing alone, it's a lot faster game. You have to count a lot quicker. You have to be able to talk to the dealer. If you're playing at a crowded table, you don't see as many hands. If you're a beginner, sometimes it's good to play with 2 or 3 other people just to get a little bit more comfortable. But always want to play as many hands as possible. So eventually get to the point where you can play alone and heads up versus the dealer.